Welcome to Living Waters Landscaping. Our project this week is a Vanishing Waterfall we just completed in the Santa Cruz Mountains. We used the Filtrific system for all our vanishing and pondless water features. For this feature, we used a 500-gallon Filtrific tank that will house the pump, the autofill, overflow, and the leaf catch baskets. Using the Filtrific Fix skimmer, we can achieve the vanishing waterfall effect. When the system's on, water is pumped from the Filtrific tank through the waterfall and into the Fix skimmer. The skimmer allows us to have a small vanishing pool at the bottom of the system, as well as gather leaves and other debris that come into the feature. When the system is turned off, the total volume of water in the feature and all the debris are drawn into the Filtrific waterfall box through the skimmer. The best part about the Filtrific system is the tank can be buried away from the waterfall, leaving you with a very natural and nearly maintenance-free water feature. The little maintenance there is in the Filtrific system is made easy using the leaf catch baskets. Simply remove the baskets from the tank, clean, and replace. For more information, please visit our website at www.livingwaterslandscaping.com.